ভাৰত চৰকাৰে নিষিদ্ধ কৰিছে 59টাকৈ চীনা মোবাইল এপ্লিকেশ্যন। ইয়াকে লৈ সন্তুষ্টি প্ৰকাশ কৰিছে সোনম ৱাংচুক নামৰ লাডাখৰ প্ৰসিদ্ধ অভিযন্তা তথা শৈক্ষিক সংস্কাৰকজনে। ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় সুৰক্ষা ব্যৱস্থাৰ বাবে চীনা এপ্লিকেশ্যনৰ নিষিদ্ধকৰণে এক গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ ভূমিকা ল'ব বুলি উল্লেখ কৰি সোনম ৱাংচুকে কয় যে এয়া জনসাধাৰণৰ দ্বাৰা অন্তঃকৰণেৰে বৰ্জিত হ'লেহে প্ৰকৃত ৰূপত চীনক অৰ্থনৈতিকভাৱে প্ৰতিহত কৰা হ'ব। জনগণে নিজা ৱালেট পাৱাৰ প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰি ছফ্টৱেৰৰ পাছত হাৰ্ডৱেৰ বৰ্জন কৰিব লাগিব আৰু দেশীয় উৎপাদনত গুৰুত্ব প্ৰদান কৰিব লাগিব। এটা সপ্তাহত যিদৰে চীনা ছফ্টৱেৰ নিষিদ্ধ হ'ল, এটা বা দুটা বছৰৰ ভিতৰত চীনা হাৰ্ডৱেৰ নিষিদ্ধ কৰি প্ৰতিপন্ন কৰিব লাগিব জাতীয় প্ৰেমৰ নিদৰ্শন। এয়া কেৱল ভাৰতৰ বাবেই নহয়, সমগ্ৰ মানৱ জাতিৰ বাবে, সমগ্ৰ বিশ্বৰ বাবে এয়া এক আদৰ্শনীয় পদক্ষেপ। নাগৰিকে যেতিয়া কিনিবলৈ অমান্তি হ'ব, কোনো শক্তিয়ে বিক্ৰী কৰিবলৈ সাহস নকৰে। জনগণৰ শক্তিক হে ৱালেট পাৱাৰ বুলি মন্তব্য কৰি এই শক্তিৰে জনগণক উদ্বুদ্ধ হৈ আগবাঢ়ি যাবলৈ আহ্বান জনাইছে সোনম ৱাংচুকে।
Regarding the government of India's ban on 59 Chinese apps, I'm happy and welcome this step, not because it is a part of the boycott made in China movement, which is a purely citizens movement. I see this step as a necessary part of internal security of the nation. It had been observed in the recent past, not just in India, many countries, that the Chinese government was using its tech companies, whether it is Huawei or TikTok, to gather a lot of information about citizens in different countries, and these could be used against the nations. And therefore I think it was a timely step, if not a bit too late, and I see that it has nothing to do with the boycott made in China movement, because that would be unfortunate then. It would be like the citizens weren't able to do it properly, so the government had to come. I want to believe that citizens are doing their part very well. The government had to take this step for security reasons. So for the citizens, there is now a bigger movement lying ahead to, after boycotting softwares, to boycott the hardware in a year or two. And I want to believe that this will happen purely on citizens level, not only in India but global level, and the government, we would want to not hope, will have to come in and take measures of boycotting or banning products, because governmental measures invite retaliatory countermeasures from other countries, and it is bilateral damage, which I do not wish for. On the other hand, when citizens say, I don't want to buy such products because of ethical reasons, because of aggressions on the borders and so on, there's no power in the world that can force you to buy. You are customers, and customers are the king. So the Chinese government will have to treat citizens in India like kings if they want to sell their products, and this is the power, this is the wallet power of the citizens that we are hoping to use.
News Desk, report the horizon.